Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. 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 Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Lost in the shadows, all alone. Silent tears falling. Heart turned to stone, whispers of love echo in my mind. Faded memories, a love left behind, searching for solace in the depths of despair. Torn apart, emotions too much to bear. Aching heart, like a fragile glass. Shattered dreams, now only remnants of the past. I'll sing my sorrow in every note I play. Aching melodies carry me away. In the silence, my pain I release. Through the beauty of silence, I find my peace. In the moonlight, my heart starts to ache, lost in the echoes of a love I can't shake. Every night I'm haunted by the love we shared, but now you're gone, and I'm left feeling bare. I walk these empty streets, trying to move on, but everywhere I look, memories of you are drawn. The dance hall melodies we used to sway to, now they're just a reminder of the love we once knew. Tears fall like raindrops as I strum my guitar. The acoustic chords echo in my heartache so far. I'm singing these Texas blues, trying to heal my soul, but every note I play just reminds me of you, taking its toll.